wonderful people, welcome back to the show. It is your program, and yes, they are so lovely, romantic. They are sisters from another country, and they've been on Odo Ahomaso many a times when they are free. Frederica.
Yeah.
Now you're attending a doctor or what?
You see that?
Are you attending a doctor?
Oh, no.
You're still an actress and a model.
Yeah, actress, model, reality show host.
Oh, yeah?
The postcard show online. And this is the doctor.
Anyway, welcome back. We miss you so much.
Yeah.
Is everything all right there?
Yeah, everything is cool.
Okay. Mercedes.
Yes.
The doctor.
Oh, yeah.
The lab technician. How is everything?
Oh, I'm grateful.
Happy to meet you once again.
Yeah.
Thank you.
And how is Liberia? How are things going? Your family, have you been hearing from them?
Yeah. Liberia is good. The country is peaceful. Election just went on, and we are waiting for the result.
Of
the 7th
course.
of next month to hear the announcement of the president, or maybe we might go for like second round run-up election.
But you didn't go to vote, did you?
Oh no.
Why?
I'm working on some projects here, so like I couldn't go because it got stuck to my neck. Yeah, so I couldn't go. Yeah.
I see. Mercedes.
Yes.
Yes. Did you go to vote?
Actually, I didn't. The time was too short for me to go.
But you knew it was going to come.
Yeah, but I was also busy
Oh, yeah?
doing one or two things. So, you know, but we are within in prayers that everything is going to go well in Liberia. Yeah, so we are good.
All right, they are good. Everything is fine. But the most important, they say they are here on Odo Ahomaso.
Yeah.
Your relationship, your marriage, and other things you need to know. The last time they came, they told us how to, prepare some meals, how to take care of your newborn baby, how to, hey, when they got this, stay away from infection. Our lab technician, Mercedes, said that almost everything, the kind of education that you guys pour for us. Shall I do me that say? Hey, look at them.
Yeah, mentasi.
This one is one corner, me that's it.
Hey, you've been doing that thing, eh?
No.
You've been jumping.
No,
Oh my God.
now everything is one corner, so that me that's it too is one corner.
I know Midas is not one corner.
Oh, okay.
Hey, Midas is on its own.
Okay.
It has got its own swag. So nothing can be added. Anyway, I am so happy that you are here today.
Okay.
Our viewers, our viewers are also so happy to see you. But these days, whether you are young, middle age, married, everybody is facing problems, especially the women. And the young ones, as for theirs who are not married, the issues, they've been crying. All right? You'll be with this man, expecting, hoping that the marriage will come. At the dying minutes, somebody will say that at the quarter hour, at the last hour, he will come back and tell you, my parents says this, my parents says that. Do we see it coming, or we don't see it coming?
I think I would say that we do see it coming.
Really?
Yes. Ladies are in relationship, Mama Zumbi. They see these things coming, but then they play their ear or their eyes like they don't care what is going on. And I think it's due to certain reasons. We see it coming. You are with a guy, 3, 4, 5 years, doing one thing. You understand? Maybe the guy is doing a little business or the guy is working. You are with this guy for 3 to 4 years. You don't want to help the guy to do anything. You understand? You don't want to add value to whatever relationship you are into. And suddenly this guy finds somebody who has value, who wants to add value to his own life and their life. So I mean, why won't you walk away?
So you certainly walk away on you?
Yeah, the guy will walk away because you are not adding value to your life.
Okay.
And you are not even adding value to the guy's life.
Wow.
Yes.
My Mercedes, I can't somewhere there. Just an saying broken hearts and not dosso. Yeah, chimpana, or if you say Beko ya dear, now for which ho, not afford the mammy or the papa, then nebi and Emma excuses. And let me be some Mercedes say, a year then a banessa, and yen be a one punch anymore. And I saw didn't my who say, baby, I can't go ye couldn't be giant, and I say, and praying to me our Diana. And the Mercedes say, a year who, and so no, a near see us so, Yakata ye. na bema ben no pe oba nye they say neni mre se obaye ne nsa no adwuma na obaye bribi na aboa ebusua no mo mpranchwe mi nkomo be na mobo wo de bia wa de bia ma osika nkoye wuti nkoye wonsa ene wo sisi ene wo ha enti mo ne mu sa no konye oba bia ono de neni da na ho so oka in 2 years o si say ye be plan ye mane ade a wo ye de obeja wo de Mercedes wo kenny mama ko Frederica ho.
Yeah, I agree.
Yeah.
When we say adding value to your life as a woman, what's the meaning?
Okay, first of all, I'll say thank you again for having me on this platform.
Yeah.
When it comes to empowering women, or we empowering ourselves, first of all, before you go into a relationship, you should examine the relationship. If you enter anything you are going to enter in, you have to be careful. You have to look for the negative side and the positive side. And if you are seeing that the negative side of this relationship is too much, then you have to readjust yourself or you leave the relationship. Or else your time is going to be wasted.
Okay.
Yes. What she was saying on the other hand is okay, but it's not okay with me.
Okay, why?
Because it's okay and it is not okay. I'm going to break it down.
Okay.
You understand? This man in question, like girls, they will not add value to themselves, to just go and be their liability. And if the man find another girl and just leave her. You see, now in Liberia, it is not like that. If you stay with a woman for more than 2 years or a year plus, you want to leave her, you ain't going to leave her like that.
I see.
Yes.
That's what's happening in Liberia.
Yes, this time around, you ain't going to leave her like that. For wasting her time, you're going to pay for it. So if you're having some properties and you want to live her life, you are not going to leave it like that. You are going to split it into 2 and give her hers, because you cannot delay her time for nothing. And I believe I'm even asking the African countries around us to
law, you just said, my sister.
I want Ghana, the whole of Africa to implement these things into our
This is a trouble, oh.
No, it's not trouble.
It's a big trouble.
It's empowering women.
That Frederica.
Yes.
People have been in relationship for 15 years.
Yes.
And they have kids without marrying them. And then by the time they realize this man has gone to, either perform a rite, say marriage ceremony with another woman. They'll be in this relationship, so many things will happen. And 2 years in Liberia, I beg you, there'll be murder.
Yeah, what I'm saying, I'm advocating for the women in Africa that we should place this in our constitution for the ladies, the women, because these men, they will just come.
I bet Ghana, it will not work.
I say Africa, it will work.
But you know Kenya tried, but it did not work.
Nothing is impossible. If we women stand up, go for camping, women, we are the mothers of these men. So if we stand up for our right, I believe we can press forward and changes is going to come.
Yo,
I want us to implement this. Yes, it's not. I'm advocating. I'm not praying. Because sometimes you just go and pray. A prayer is good, but if you are praying without working towards it, it's not going to happen. So you can just stay with that lady. You didn't know she was not productive. You was having kids with her. You didn't know she was not productive, and you was wasting her time. So some of them remove those kids from the women from school, take them, some of them from the junior high, bring them, get married to them at younger age, produce a lot of children, and say we are not compatible. We are not of the same caliber. You didn't know all of time. You must pay for that time.
Okay.
It's about time we women stand up against these guys who are actually into these things, because it's actually heartbreaking. This is why I tell you, from stepmother, stepfather, all these things, it bring a lot of shame and disgrace to Africa. You see, the Western world, they don't take that. This is why these men, they are afraid to even, they are afraid of those women on that side, because it's going to hold them down.
Yeah.
So they run down to Africa to misbehave on the other women that are in Africa, and we are not going to take it. We are going to stand up and fight for them, not only the negative side, but move the positive way to see how we can straighten things, because it's too much. I think it's about time we women of Africa stand up to fight against these guys, to put them in their places. Yeah.
We need to wake up and fight and put this men into their places. Yes. Dear Frederica, I can say, baby, your feedback I will Liberia hono. Won't see me any ababa one chin plant to say 2 years. Now all the one look at Jana. Now we're pushing it sa. One we sneak for 2 years. Say a Japadi be now one. or no beche me and say tain, there won't be no beche umu, because my man excuses be say, and why day, and I say, who no so fast for sa, men I'm now only need dana one yim no man pay abortions, and I'm now back you know, after I be jana manacosa, and your property will be ano, or no beche say tain, and I make her say, Ghana had the Yadia Ghana ha, Mammy a bay. Odo fu ebe ye enya de ebe ye ne enye yi ochira efi se maybe ewo empranchia wade mu empranchia wade mu mia wo nkwala enum ya wo miensa ya wo enan akpoteshi kota kra ye mfan koi enso da so te ho odi nkwala enti o nkwala enti enso saa de we ye ntimi nkofafa na Liberia da ena Fredika sa akọ so se emraso se Africa ye nyina mba ye beka ye ho abom sei na afei imema no mesa no ye be fight against them if say bi the flimsy excuses and e de maye o sheda o ma wo nyina awie na wo ya abre o so mu no ye wi ase adwuma nyina awie a afei o say you are not my class o say no de all Africa we need to come together and then fight it. But Mercedes, yes. What are you going to add to it?
Well, I what Frederica said, you know, like guys taking ladies, giving birth by them, and like you are normal class. For that, I think she's right. But on the other hand, I will not accept what she said. Like, if, for example, in Liberia, if a guy stays with a woman 1 or 2 years, you cannot just push her away. For me, that's not the solution to it. Okay. You understand? Every woman, every man, you should add value to your life. Whether you're going to stay with a man 3 or 4 years, you should add value to your life. Why, if this guy leaves you, gives you a house, you go into another man, what is he going to give you to when you don't have? Excuse me, no.
No, you are not getting me.
No,
I'm
coming. Let her land.
No, she's not getting me.
Relax. Let her land, and then I'll come back to you.
You understand?
Okay, yeah.
Because that we guys are supposed to share their properties with us. So you live with a guy, you just don't want to do anything. He gets tired with you. Find a woman who is productive, leaves you, then he gives you his house, one of his houses. Then you now find another man again. He realized that you are nothing. You don't want to be serious. He leaves you and gives you another land. What is that? All in all, even if a guy, they are Africa, the men are going to share their property with us after giving birth with us, we should add value to our life. Even God said that we are helpmates to them.
Of course.
We should help the guys.
Exactly.
You understand? Even God said it. So you should be able to help a guy. If you're going to stay 3 or 4 years with a guy, just one place, nobody wants that. So all in all, as a woman, you should add value to your life. And the same goes to the men. There are some men, they don't want to do anything at all. They want the ladies to bring it. No, we all should add value to ourselves. So if the both of you have values, it's going to be beautiful. You understand? It's going to be beautiful. So that's the problem I'm having with that. Because guys will share their property. So, you know, we should do something. It doesn't matter what they are going to do. We should do something.
All right.
So a guy will value you.
Okay.
He'll be proud of you.
Okay. Okay, let me come in.
All right, do.
Yeah. Like what I was saying, I didn't say they shouldn't add value to themselves. Because you as a woman, you should add value to yourself. That is what I'm saying. You understand?
Yeah.
Like if you are not so educated, you can empower yourself with skills. You understand? I'm not saying they shouldn't empower themselves, but I'm only saying to those people who are unfortunate, so that they can live then like that.
Okay.
So that's what I was saying. I don't want you to get it twisted.
I think it's clear now.
Yeah. Yes. So if you are not so educated on the other side, you can empower yourself with skills that can back you and your family up, because this time is gender equality. And many of these men these days, they are even more lazy than the ladies.
Yes.
Because they feel
some of them are very lazy.
Yes, they don't want to do anything. They are so lazy, some of them. They will say they want the women to bring it and PIMP life. No.
PIAP life?
PIMP life.
PIM.
PIM life.
PIM, okay.
Yes. It's not going to work. It's gender equality. So I'm urging all the women around the world, even young girls coming up, they should empower themselves.
That's great.
They should empower themselves. They should equip themselves, because they have reached to a stage that is 50-50 gender equality.
Yeah, it's 50-50.
Yeah, so we should empower ourselves anyway, anyhow. If you can't even read or write, you can still
do something.
Yourself with skills. There are so many of them. So many of them. Yeah, that's what I was saying. And I didn't say they shouldn't say Mercedes. I was only saying that for those ones that was victim. So we should work on that.
He's understood now.
Okay.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you. So can I wear my glasses now?
Oh, you can wear it because I'm wearing mine too.
Thank you.
Now is the time for you to be empowered. Call into the show. Things are eating you up, you can't sleep, you can't think, and it's just that you're just reducing weight. This is your platform. Call into the show right away. Now for your nante, and your comma. And to call the numbers now on 0302 211 701. 0302 211 702. 0302 211 704. This is your platform, and then call into the show and let's just rock it. Let's just rock it. Let's just rock it. Let's just rock it. Thank you so much also for making time and telling a friend, telling another friend, husband and wife, you are all stable and watching your show because you have all the empowerment. We have our lovely sisters here, our sisters from another mother, lovely Liberia sisters. We have the white lady, Frederica, and we also dark and beautiful Mercedes. They are in the house, so call now. Nana Ajimai, Yama Kwaba de Odo Ahomaso Nana.
Now what is it?
Yamia Domia Neho, yeah, that's it. Nana, yes.
We go to pa, come forward to me, them papa.
What's my day?
We go to pa, many do yamming.
Oh, really? He says if I were to be a piece of gold, he'll have carried me into his room just to adore me. But I say. All right, it's you.
Mammy, only baby.
Debbie, Jawakasa.
Eliasim. And then my bawana abano. Any mamma abano, young cano correct. Young cano correct.
Yeah.
Yambrabo. Any you're buying and your pet.
Yeah.
And Sonia.
Yeah.
Even then, may come be condemned, meaning about Bacona, Tiwana, I ate it in.
Oh, I don't know. Ultimate. Oh, kind of Sanya, they are mapping.
Sana, me personally put in an own chassis.
Okay.
Your shop black car.
Mr. Casa.
Already a fatchami. Semakasa. Why?
You.
Also, Casa Liberia. Or Obama be a beyond Obama until 2 years and not the idea. Yet may give me proper and you're not correct.
If I shall hold you in your near you,
may say and you're not correct.
Mate.
And you're not correct.
Mate.
Because unfair and a girl not condemn. Oh,
debut.
See a seminal. See a seminal. Emma. Na dear Tiani say, ya man, I am Bano Sanki, but cano cura way a brabum, near big dinu cre, near Koshia, near the soba baco. Wa, Yakupon Bishrai.
Cabe bois papa.
Papa. Na, the money bass answer pimping, and Mama one song cano cre. And I said, Diana Ban, Diabaco penna them for and one of Banos over there.
Efro.
And we get king in Susan so be brave about him. And to me, many of us say, by our home, young former some association, they are that one Bruno. Because and then we share and young to for about almost 2 no the same about one.
Binumo, binum.
Binum, Tafra.
Medase, papa. Medase. Ay, medase. Se mi ebe mo atobo achire wa adwini yie papa. Medase papa. On the phone so wait me after into the show. 0302 211 701 up to 704. This is your platform. Yes, so call into the show and just go. Call into the show and let's go. Erade. Zinabu.
Yeah, Mama.
It's saying.
Mama, good evening.
Good evening, sweetheart Zinabu. It's saying.
Na me adumu.
So.
Me pacho. Mrs. Ya o she black no. Asam na work no. a very good pan. Kabemo memma ni da you steady wo ye man so. Because of mommy, memma no dating na ho. Wo de opa ho ye ho osoro abofo ye de opa bia ma no. Why you not drink so person obu kwase ne kwase no bebu. What yes, mommy. And he insists sanka sa law no ha. Nipa na mpewa won bepew. Because of him say nipa na make up na me mpene but BBC amene ne be ye ntino. Ye beji me bibi anas me bibi free me nsema ye den. Akodi ne nche. Yeah. Mommy so what you say. Anna se sa law ni ni wona be man be yusu we jawa. And what you so no Jimmy Bibia. Nice time, no copper, baby, but making sure so banana make up pen me pen and me person me and one and a make up pen.
That's right.
So, mommy,
yeah.
But see, I'm so long in anyone to nip know you so 1 year, 2 years, no jaw. 1 year, 2 years, no jaw, no about cross me 1 year level go.
Not see that thing. Me de say was my dean na meet here. I will can law no. Say law na my. Enti wo a what wo no nim say you su. Wo nim say we waste time.
Mommy, me am it one on.
Oh, hello.
Yeah, mommy.
Kasa.
Me am it was see now. Me my family one dream, and I know what I would do. What I say. Na me yanku fo no. Enye ina na ya dream ya ba ko.
Yo.
Mommy to what ma say.
Mati asewa papa.
Me yanku bi beti ma so dia anko no so hwe ne hu ya anka beboa ye nyina. Na enam say adada ne sambasa bi ntino. Mommy so what I say. Emma ye mama wan ya dwene ne nko bebi ba ko but Salo no wo hanka beboa ye pa me support no pa.
Sao.
Oh, mommy me pa te mun hwa na mun force ne mbra na boys no mu cheat girls no bad too much.
Yo.
Why mommy nyame sure pa me dem on program mo de ya.
Yes, yeah that say.
Nyame sure mo de bia be tie mu sa.
Enye law no. E was say one kasa unya that empowerment. Now we say in this relationship I am wasting my time. In this marriage, I am wasting my time. So just wake up from your slumber. Do not wait for any law. The power is yours to say yes and no.
Yes.
Some 2 months to Christmas and some few days. And some other people, one name them, why am I doing? Hello, Sammy.
Hello, Mammy Kuma.
Medase, Sammy.
Medase. This is the first time, Semenya.
Wonderful. We are so grateful.
And then they're my late.
Now, Frefi.
Me Frefi Kanda.
Oh, so sorry.
And then they're my late show, no my late. The discussion, the name discussion, I'm more about contribution, I'm more known itself about cheating about men and women.
Yeah.
But one lady because you say, I don't know, vice versa. Vice versa. Because but me no bia oye kama ba obano be ye ni bibi obetumi akosisi no ana betumi akonya oba so oye cool na be ma na ayeden akosisi no enti ade na kwa no ho nkosi anata twene ogbo enim enye yie ogbo echim enye yie ohun de wi abesi aka asem no
and
ba de mmeka ne se ahweyie na wom
good.
Ba say ushia obema na say bi opewa na say ya that bi o ye mema no me ye bema ye mema ne ano ede enti
many aje so aka say mema no mo no ode
o me ye bema
me da say
bema ye mema ne ano ode
yo
enti you know once you say women are weaker vessel enti say Ubema no ukoshi oba no anya more careful wiki no fa no so
yeah
the man na so me very vigilant
okay
na baby sin na dey aya o ka no
mama ni da ho ka na to so where your dross
na road dross no
okay
how road dia say bi o say the moses dey about both no be man you be from obefom
I am so grateful. So we pray this adventure ebaye. Remember, is indeed the only nation has where now we do any kind. Now that's so market time and no and you say add some value to your life, add some value to yourself. Hello, Dave. Hello, David. Hello. I'm sure he's off the line. You can call into the show on 0. Hello, is that David?
Yeah, that's KB, yeah.
Oh, okay. It's KB rather.
Yeah, KB.
All right. Thank you so much, KB. Where are you calling from?
Ashiye.
Where are you calling from?
Ashiye.
Oh, Ashiye.
Yeah.
All right. We are listening to you.
Okay. Come on, my man can say. Debia, you can say, oh, when you be a walk, when you're there, when you're draws, and I'm a boy.
Serious, oh, I can't.
Okay. Now, Nyame boy, you know, but the power of choice and the Maya. When you be Kushia, you too for say, it's a shower draws. Obedient could didn't why. Why don't you? What is it because of the Biamano? And I will share this be. And I'm going to do it. Will visit Yabba, Manana boy. Okay. In Japan, I say, only Nipanoco, a coy as a more related.
Yeah.
Ebia one road ross, I'm an answer so. On some Vanisika, I'm away. If you are the Mawa or the Maso, they chow.
Yeah.
Expecting nothing in return.
At all.
And if you are the road was the man, no. Was it oh, Abia and Fit Abia, Miano, made a mouth. Young warrior, Madame free.
Yeah.
Lobia, and say okay, and the Bible protected me. Because what him say? Say, Cassica, we do, and I saw a road rosa. Look after some worry, and I'm a boy.
Yeah.
Okay. It's a me, can say. Until say, I'm a phobia. Say, if what you ever say, oh, ma and your ma, I was a mutiny after. What the Kawana show on Sano, which is very difficult for to do because
hey,
I'm a phone
after I did Kawana show on Sano. And I felt that my instructions said do this and don't do that.
Oh, Ekuma, Nyame, yes, it's time not to say or the Wuka for Mawa. Eh? There are two things.
Wow.
Fire, I train me in Muse or the Mawo. Nyame on fire, dear, won't be swan from out.
It's true.
One cousin is all bonfire, the Bia say, Nyami share me. Now one cousin of Brabono. What the way she was saying, Shana Bano, Ubesumana.
Wow.
Bema be a fine. Bema no you'll be an assorting. Nothing wanting. Now what about say, how do you receive him?
Wow.
Or hearing him or putting him saying, so the you know where will be a the cook ordering. But a Bompire no can say me calling him the BCBR BC. In time you should be name no choir, who can answer not to. So what are you scared of?
Ah, Brother Eric, Andrew, that must resource person. Mwah. Thank you so much, sweetheart. And that dear, I like not Tom serious. Now, Obia, dear. Thank you, Andrew. God richly bless you. Okay, bye. You better have a lot of calls right away. 0302-211-701, 702, and 703. Maybe I'll call into the show right now and then tell us the Vicky Mahama. Oh, Mahama. Oh, okay. Honorable Bako. Medase, yet you. Maybe I'll my oneso kakrama yawai. Oh, no, you're in the woho. Okay. Or you in person no better? Yes. Now what beside the conscious person no better?
Oh, maybe time
oh, what you doing? Say.
Or that fan too.
Oh, what you found?
Only ho.
Oh, so that passo. I feel so only ho. Oh, I dang. Huh? What you doing?
Okay.
By this time, you appear. And now appear and you remember one on my still.
Oh, my.
Eh? Why shall you are not even true to yourself? One or damn person will appear only ho. Me for the ain. One with 3 answers. Me for the ain. Or damn person only ho will appear. Me for the ain. Sawala. Well, when you're sure about yourself, ain't he? Kosutie, mom next caller, Emma, your relationship with your wife, and he said she's not allowing you to make love with her or something. Let me talk to her. He said she's not around. Let me talk to her. He said she's gone out. Let me talk to her. He said, I mean, she's sleeping on bed. So what kind of story is this? Hey.
You should stop disturbing the lady. Give the lady. Maybe she's tired.
Yes. So
it's like you love the thing, crash.
Coming down. Yeah. Let me pick a caller. Hello, sweetheart. It's saying.
I'm here the morning. I'm also.
Not the Morocco. Echiao. Yo. Me pa share yetio.
Sisi na meeting na oba na o shetuntum na kasa. Na o kasa about women empowerment. Very important because oba what woda when ye na bibia wo ji free be ma ho a omu. Bibia wo ji free be ma ho a omu.
Yeah.
But what wo na say bia wo ye bibi kakra. At least be ma no so be hu sa oboa. Odona amode sinemu no mode ye ma adwen sam pese bo ware no. E bet sinemu a kopin ewiye.
Okay.
But kakra na say bia mo de odo wrem na oba no anya hwe ya. Wo be da ne be de ma be ma no. Be kakra na odo no adane otan. After so ye meka kakra fa ma so mo kra omo ho no. And also say very important.
Very important, my dear sister.
Yes. Because ade ba kwa mi sian every ma wo for when say be ma wade a onu so hia bibi in return. Indeed I would show who say be ma wade na wade kai hu say that she bia onu so be request bibi wo ho.
That's that time no what say see one as on say ho wo de bia thank you de
bia thank you na on say ho enye right kwa
anyway
so inti adure bia na fa show trim say eni kwan say wo gye nyoma bebre free mema ho
yo
oba wo pese wo show so obi edo wa wo so timi to bi chen
sure
en kire say wo do ho koma na kire say wo do no eno they are very wrong esa ni pa ni jai wa de bia na edi wachi ebe siwa but over wo ma na say wo he na wo timi ni pants na
yeah
be di mi suma kom be
that's all
so nti ende hia pa ezi etimi kama ye mabawa no moti ase
yo
ni to de ne ho ma be ma na eno wo ya de papa o kire so wo don but very wrong.
I am so grateful. Say I never told Bono for telephone one friend Odo Ahomaso. Now the great education way at the aba. Yeah, that's bio. You because so for your next caller. This is your issue, this is your program, this is your platform. Aha na be friend akadie di wunya. The ejojo wo, the akwa recorder na. Can never die sink or say it me da na ye from Rashid. Salam alaikum.
Wa alaikum salam.
To yayi na go de Rashid. Na frefi he.
Frefi Kumasi.
Kumasi. Hey. Wow. Ye de nyame ase so de mo abedu asundwem.
Now we would kuno wana ya wa ya ma onto tinyo ya.
Oh Debbie Alaji.
Only ya se me de woman say dia ya botre ena baby wo hoso a me de blame na mamba no. Also ya se munipa yenji kirne you. That will be wo ne oba be ma tia. E bia de be ma ntimi nya no. No for so wonye.
Oh, I see.
What ya just ate oba onu be ma tena 1 week 1 month. Nti wuntimi misante bia bra yenkofia na asese. So kana se wo twetwe no ho na wo se nya de obetima yare. Awaro but muka se mane ni na ho de oba de sebi na me bo mo mai. Nti wo pa wo so se den. Be ma nya gina wani mu a odane wa adwen. Ide be ma no be kana wo ye de.
O be ye.
O ti. Pati ya nti edu be o so nche o mo de bia bra yenkofie na ko no mabusuafo. Oba ware wa obehu on ware wa obehu da pe ko 1 year 2 years are
ayen sembebre kra you are saying
ya wo mna wo so mu ene wi ase mo nhwe obi de obi akwa ware a okonya obi betu akwa ware asa akonya sika obi su be se wo sika ansa na wa ware o
yo ya da
mi su mi nyanya ready
eno nti ne se mo ntwempra no na mo ayen pemu agon de mo nyi film ena mo de ka ho aya na asai bibia no
Me say me yere say am ware ni say me na antena nru ba bia etna 1 month na see.
That's lovely.
Ekoye no ho ade.
Wow.
Ni kura me share date first no no ban so no.
I see.
Nti chire na onu ahun say adwene ya ate.
Ati afa baby. Nti also otimi sisi ne ho so na ye kama.
Nti nne no e ma ne me ma ya te kuma dan no. Trotro no wo sia na obi efo.
Yo.
Fa on to ne wa me ware ya na me si me dan bet. E ware o fa afuro obo na me si me dan evi.
Ede nyame ase.
Ya ware de enye sika na eri ware. Ne nya ho fe. Ne ma na ebi pa ho fe. Obi pa talehye, obi so wo a oridi ma ho. Ono atale bi obeto ahye. Nti enhwe no mundi a nya ja ware no
obetimi awade.
Odi ware de oda wa kuma so.
Yo. Ade
ye mama ko edu bebe yan fa ho fe nware.
O moja ho fe ne wade o ho.
Bebe. Mi se de mi de bi ameka. Nya ho fe ne di ware o.
Me da se. Eye suban ya botsenya misro odo. Jidie.
Wona nya tana na ho kire o be ni suban kire o.
Straight up we in suban e dia kire. Yo. Pious Kwame, mawako abadi ba Odo Ahomaso.
Yeah, mommy say.
Nyame adom ye ho ye. Na Pious frevin.
Me otari.
Wow. Take credit from where?
Obi ahoye.
Great. Yeah, that's it you.
Lady na oka bibi say we dey ti oba. We are 2 years on the chrome. Omutimiji wonyama na omudi amoba no. Fine, that's it. I'm not against it. But net in mbani be opportunist. Mbani be opportunist. Na mbani be mbu ade.
Okay.
So bema be dey too. Okay, all right. But ono na ntia no so usuban being here. Obeja.
Straight up.
Because yesterday I want to get married. So you not think that if you don't respect and them need Jawa and the over gets we book was here. And we should buy some who access on. About so only who said them be cracker on the one in the Kazakon on Kazan. About for Saka baby, I hope you say Bema was secret too much. Obogo couldn't. Maybe that man is not even ready to get married. You understand?
I do.
And I do remember fear that we share Madame for Gelby. Not me who not crash about 2 years. No say. Now what was also my wife Jayo. Miss Adena with Jay. Miss Adena already know our back on the bed 5 years. Not let them with Jay also. No could not know say or no obane perspective. Although catch any couldn't say on ya de won pim. On ya de won pim think on quite to drama no kuno. Emma no kuno de ebufu as akapo ba for say we know about on 2 minutes or to me stand 2 minutes.
Wow, she.
Inti we jai girl say also mo go fie de na aka court de no. On na wo baba so 5 months here baby. 5 months old baby.
I'm yes sure say Oma kwajiji dey but enye ye nyame betiem. Won me say enye ade be ye.
Oh, it's ye nyama no eh for our program you so for program for photo man so for.
Yo, so
you still by being here but in man to be almost problem.
Martin?
But they don't accept their fault. Yes, say bia so bo bema when bema ne bu obu no pa oye ma sem ko kwa bo so no is a waro.
Wow. Yo, me that's
what na when who say no and the way why I want kwasi as say maybe we your time man the sex man but you don't respect him. That's not what men want.
Okay. That is why at the last minute you tell us say my parents says no. I found out this and some more chance I'm also market time around as a now I feel last minute much show you yes sir. You're laughing. It's a say indeed if you really love me as you said and we started this relationship, you could tell me, say, hey, Jack, this and this and that you need to change.
Yes.
But you not tell us, and you sleep with us. You help us to do all the world's abortions. We give all our monies to you, and then you leave us in the middle of the ocean. That was the early 60s. Yes. When you're writing a letter to your boyfriend or your husband, you left me in the middle of the ocean for the sharks and the whales to swallow me. So please, when you get close to us and you say you like us and you love us and you want us to be your future husband or wife, try and also help us, direct us.
Yes.
Oh, Asamo. Anyway, I am so grateful that all of you are making time to watch the show because you have all your empowerment, all the education, and also all the information. Hello.
Oh, good morning.
Good morning, sweetheart. About your favorite. Hey, second it's a crowd. Aze, what's in them?
Well, I shall boko.
Hey, Bibi Ashe.
Oh, Yamana, Bibi Ashe.
Easy. You too.
Oh, Rabana Casa fine.
Oh, they are super.
Now, today, you won't say there. Or friend and Yakopon or the sex or the kind. Now, from 14 to time I ever want. You develop Yama Bebre, or Sada Hono, so you to me a chair Yamo Framano. Most mobile control.
Okay.
Both boys and girls.
Girls, okay.
So that a cold in cheating in Yanko. The Dama de Intraturni to Mukodo Dama. Or Babwa in here, our phono, no Babwa and Moframano. So,
yeah.
Because it's here, say, I'm in to me, Shamamo Frama. Wobako Pado, one Kojo Mam 2 CDs, Kojo Mam 3 CDs. The Hono, Kojon should be developed at BB there. Ever be your pen, and I didn't have the moon.
Debiana, you are asking for 1 CD, 2 CDs.
2 CDs. And hang the Onosu or the Benin and Argent Bado there. Benin, ye BB the man, not a director Moko.
Okay.
Nothing goes for free.
Okay, it's true. There's not even free breakfast. There's no free breakfast. There's no free lunch. There's no free dinner.
Yes.
Yes.
Something for something.
Okay.
From P6 to AHS, no local down. Open in there, one Akuma no. No, we develop, you know what? Senior maybe I know what I was say.
That's wonderful. Auntie, okay, self-discipline, so that you see, all that he said is some of the ladies fondle with the guys, give me 1 CD, buy ice cream for me. So that guy to be thinking, hey, because she's been asking money, that she really loves, that she likes me, then this is how they start, things are happening. Hello, Parkway. Eh, nana yao. Papa is not for him. If I just say, Brekum. Brekum from what to say? Yeah, that's it. It's you. Mentio. Papa, see, that's when your girlfriend been a rapper, no, Casade. Not the whole wide world. Omonto voice. Hello, Papa, see. Kasa. Say it's a pa.
Okay. The phone is here. Or my no more, no Macasapa.
Yeah, that's it. Back with see and say, hey, yes, Sembini. Mentish you. Oh, so sorry. Anyway, the disciplines, how young ladies can comport themselves and also the young guys.
Sure.
We need to give it to them.
Yeah.
So what should they do?
Actually, as a lady.
Let me pick this caller. Hello, Yabua.
Hello, ma.
Me da say. Na frefi fa Yabua. Yo, yeah da say. Yet you.
Me ba do. 28 years.
28 years, good.
Ba me wale. Internet ba. You
remember now, yeah?
Plumber work.
Oh, share plumber work, I see. Wait, one can say, be a plumber shop. Where be a kakra? And Timpatama one and Winya Bow home.
The many up to our by Letobia, Yamasom Mukakala.
As baby, I want a man a good on your name. Yamasuni Mobia Mokwaku. Eh, Yaboa.
Minion fed the other phone, and the number that way.
There be me, Mount Quanka Mount for no man to air. Baby, I want she shall move home no winning. Why? 28 years. Men castle to me worry. You will run till 28 years here. Or my worry on me as successful. Our dear IE. And you will be so many 28. On worry the next day and our dear agree. So at yes here. And to know our dear one abashi shadow. Medi 28. Me poor boy says in Yami Adom. Medi 30. My me first born. 33. Na second born aba. Say listen and pesa me. They make out yes here. Aha. And you wouldn't have a plan. And you are banning in an antiasia yuma. Now be free baby I will break ton. I would do number to eh quite good. I don't go nothing. A quantin tin say. Now quite sorry. Now sorry, a man who never be all. Now also cross if I don't go either. I touch him up. Ah, boss road horse sign I can. Hey, I see me now. Auntie Julie. Hey, oh no, show me do on a thing, a crowd for man so mammy. Hey, at a chemu. At a chemu. Shall see a humanity sika. For home 2 years. Working hard and save money. 30 years, no worry. Because 28 years, here, person quick crano. Oh, maturity as our form kakra. They make out as yet. Me knew what I'm more. But so more did that. Now to me taking bold decisions to be so. Me that's papa. Bye. Oh my goodness. Hello. Me ma call about Odo Ahomaso, my dear.
Yeah, oh, hearing you.
Oh, honey. Yeah, that's it. Not free.
The free Accra New Town.
Accra New Town. Oh, honey. Yeah, that's it you.
Dear woman is there. Dear woman is there. Don't say Mano, Mane.
Me Pajaka,
Mano. People say, who dating some of them with the intention say, Obe Warren. But who say, oh, no intention not to sleep with her because open a paper.
Yes. Radio B said TV be no so lower volume no maso. Maso.
Open our but that one thing I say, mommy. Ubun say, who you are spending to let her look better. No? Oh, to let her look better. No? Ubun say, no. She's also dating someone away.
I am surprised at this these days. And only the young ladies baby.
Yeah, and she's giving it to somebody for free.
What you are spending on her? When you are spending on her, then she's also giving it to somebody free of charge for free. Yeah.
Jesus.
Wow.
Yeah.
She's giving it for somebody for free. So now, later, who realize it's very hurting. Very, very hurting.
It's true.
So at times, some of us are in the state of dilemma because we don't even know which woman is the right, which is wrong. I mean, very, very confusing.
I do understand your worries. In fact, it's not easy. Yeah. Because as we sit here and we have somebody who really understands and loves us and taking good care of us, and then we go and give it to somebody just like that.
Akuma, sometimes we don't see. We don't see.
We don't see it coming, right?
I mean, we see it.
Okay.
The woman is not his life partner. The thing is simple. Because even the Bible said that a man should love a woman and a woman should desire a man to marry. So if you are loving a woman and she doesn't desire you, she's not your wife. You can't see it and move on.
Madam, it's very, very, very common now. It's very, very common. Even at times, the moment you leave, now she's telling her friends, "Oh, John Nabaho."
Come on now, John.
Hey, come on, she's
not going to come on now, John.
Because you don't request sex, so we are John.
You see, it's true. I do really agree with you 100%. Because sometimes the guys want to keep themselves, and then the ladies will start teasing them because you are not a man, you are impotent, you don't have pennies. That's why you don't want to sleep with me. And if you do that, you are wasting your own life. Because this guy or that man will just sleep with you and then dump you. He would not care giving you all the monies, making sure he sleeps with you and then leaving you. So please, stop insulting the men. When you're in a relationship and the guy says, hey, let's keep ourselves. Let's wear our drawers. Huh? And that man is not ready or that lady is not ready. Let's leave it and go.
So that's the problem at hand now.
Okay.
You see, that's the problem at hand. But look, madam, most of the women will call to this program and pretend. Look, it's most of the girls who call this your program and the women, they are pretenders.
Oh, why do you say that? They tell us things that are...
Madam, listen to me.
Okay.
A few good ones, if they call, we know.
I see.
The few good ones we know, but the majority are pretenders.
Pretenders of what? Are you saying the things that they tell us or they tell me on air? It is not the gospel truth.
But madam, I'm telling you.
Okay.
They are pretenders. They just come. You know, they just come. They just call and say, "We know what is going on."
Oh, okay.
We are the men.
Oh, na se me wo kro ma na hu.
Man ka se woni kro, ba me se mema ye na ye wo.
Okay, I say.
Mema ye na ye ni mfano.
All right.
Oh.
Okay.
Because the hypocrisy in Ghana,
I know.
Too much.
I know. Yes.
The hypocrisy in Ghana is too much.
That is why most of us are perishing.
So that's why we say divorce is not also.
Okay.
It's not bad.
Thank you so much.
God bless you for this program.
Thanmay you so much. May I know your age? How old are you?
Oh, I'm 35.
You are 35. Oh, yeah. Okay. Your voice, I thought you were 50 or 55. Oh, but that's okay. And are you married?
Oh, Madam, now I'm out of it.
No, why are you out?
And I don't know about it. I know what you're talking about. Uncle. Also, if you an uncle, no, but so you keep this disgrace in your house.
And your man, you know that is how. And your man, you know that is sad. Sansu, the young man in answer, but but thank you so much for your wonderful contribution.
You are welcome.
Thank you. Hello, Getty. Hello, Getty.
Hello, ma.
Me da say. Now, Frefi.
Mpacho me Frefi akaya.
Yo, me da say Getty it you.
Ma mpacho me hear advice kaka.
Manemra.
Me patrol my worry for 3 years in for 3 years. Now for some time now me ku se dia ye wo edem e bia hall hwe TV abon so asori na okọ dem obekọ no no da ho no ye kọ ba me no me person bia be na be say me engineer dia na asisi sometimes bia na me ba beda otumi start ko be 7 o'clock. Be 10:30, I know that one. So sometimes I am
3.5 hours on phone.
Me general bedroom on my bed's na hall because TV so want it.
Hey,
me should be ana, baby I'm a wada.
I see.
I am me say me confront no. I am me say me jai. Sa na this Sunday way. Yet here TV. And no sorry o ko ready. Into Okurada, Mr. No, Quaquia, of course. No, Kura. Until later, I'm a Kura inside. Not the bed. No, catch me say
cheating.
Nancy, comments be I am making. Ninja. Okay. No, Mr. Comments Ben and make ya winning for 3 hours. Me from my normal boss and your man. No, Mr. from my normal boy in the no muscle. Yeah, they'll make an any manner. It is a me. And then come me bed down and to me a call a sang. I can't dream or no bedroom. A family. Your baby, I think when you're 4 months.
Oh, and no, yes, I know.
Akolano, ebiano or ebiano sometimes obejeno ko dane nchen. Ebi amehwe TV ewo hall wa. Once wa friend me say akolano member man no fo. Na makoje na mdina ba. Ebiano da hono ye call so. Sunday me pem ho asema me kan sa ya obesin ko rada ma me call. Na asem ne say ntimi mini adam fo ma mema me so mini omo ye call ana. Na me say as no okay. Da benda no no hu se ma beda ha meja me ba no abonten say me ye nti because of asema me kan adichin Monday no me no wan kasa me ho anopa no me pie na ya o fia okoto wa che di ba me yedi me sorry as at 10 because me sha akwala nti me sorry 10 o'clock watch no wan koto na me see for me koto me koya me bi ni ho me talk kenke
be di commando
e ba ye Wendy, me kenke no. Maybe me to drink any bread. One fan is can no koto ne drink dear. Ebe no me.
Just on pe o she kra.
If it's Monday no Batman ne. On kasa me hu di meduane.
Ma worry amote.
Yeah, worry.
How many years in?
3 years. 3 years. November we ni benya ya 3 years pepe.
Okay.
Into Monday ne duane me no ayen Wendy. Me just a fridge me. Ade chense bi obedi me yamutu Wendy
tormenting penny or the agbian to so
by me no sometimes I be am first can ask na Wendy dia me mum da me didi me fino na me di didi china so dia na me di
didi when who say no unu do na me nwa na nko ye waste because
Intim ina me pese me bisa hwew. Nti fiti Monday na me no aduane na Wendy no. Tuesday me no aduane me no a me nkwama no na ma no medi. Boys we si from no Peter Policy bag me wa ba. On kasa me o me so me kasa.
Wa comfort no.
Me say Monday Sunday na me ne kasa ya na ja ne bufu ye ni nti. Me bisa na asem po a no throw me off me ko way in Tuesday. Me hwehwe me ba ne pabo me so pabo me hwehwe ne pabo na me bisa so ne pabo na ohu be o so hu yi. Itu bisa na sinja no we throw off. Bisa na sinja no we throw off. But me pese dia me complainia ma ne mami ana adamfo bi obi best friend Rebecca say me de na asem.
Ene nam.
Ene Friday. Oko Kumasi. Metia wambo mama ni o.
Oh no.
Me I say we siesie no. O man ne bag so oko Kumasi aba. It's oko. O so be bochi. Me bisa say na se meka ana se nka menyedi ene aduane me nkoso no ya na mama me no
wasem no emu oduro eye me de se wo de wasem atudwa e wo Odo Ahomaso Adom TV so hwe aduane ne kwan mu na wo ye no so obema osika se aduane wo de sefata so obeye oni afashe fridge mu so keep piling them into the fridge
Matima
I ba say so anapan so oni na okombo a aka shit
me to bread no to on me kwa na me di me bread
no I think
on drink e dey be shame house am so me di any shame
oh I see
me bisa ne say na on who say drink is fridge no akoso drink ni bi
enti the wall of roses na mo ye na mo fi osa no anyway me de say wetimi aba wodo wa asemi edi wunyen abeto abontin na obi ehu but odo yes wetimi aka asem we but steady ni kakra hwe wodo aka be 2 months 2 days bi oh na 2017 ye de akwa we opa show who say wo steady ni for 2 months
ma that particular number na ayo friend enye nde eno status of free and san ye be worry kra Mimi bibisano ho asem. Okache me say oyo omu area girl bia na ochre na ade. That 3 years ago asem no.
And the wouldn't any J crowd.
Ejuma ye de sebio mentimi kan isi sesenke bia off air dan ka metimi aka.
Okay.
Me nyima me kwa ejuma no. Na girl no ye ne national service.
So
na girl ne ye ne national service. Me hu ne picture da mo ye twins but me hu ne picture ne dante no. Me hu no. Na ono e bia me besia me kuntu me ka chen say. Oshia obi ka chen ne say me ma yo bolo. Ana me me ka chen say na nipa no ka chen no wan kan chen say menyama na. I know say a girl no.
Maybe don't be assuming like that. Oh, stop thinking about her. It doesn't matter. Leave that girl alone.
I you kwa sebio nante de me nanti bi kakra. Nti me sa jealousy we ne de debi.
Why are there?
Me nye no bi.
Okay.
But sa course na no ye. Me de ni so you be your ko no pa. Obetumi de pia bonten akwa your ko.
They're not in presence of you. It doesn't show respect.
Because they are member them oh na echire why na yakasa. Fine. But over da ho na wo ye ko. Oh say won kan sama ebe ye me ya but that time no.
You need him. You need him.
10 o'clock to 10 o'clock. Me feel say every time. At least enke emba enyinyi kakra. Nke enya TV ho ne eto na say you kunkum bag you said the enya yeto na.
No, I family
sorry now akwhye dem ti me say bi empese oh na pragado ye wanye ne ye kura o.
But the American say what to me and not say am na hu ne ma oye say di bunya ejojo. If not o ka try no.
Meka nyama ne den sam ne den say dos menyem ye ma kudu bi be ati abro san suro me suma no kro be ka cho say me fanya exercise
anyway
I'm my friend na dan for born na man mo friend to ne for
ma worry how many years ni
ma 3 years ni
just 3 years or the 4 if you still think the whole cane is the gospel truth that 3 years you know pepeni bi offering no ne mama ne papa ana penny be around that offering him and then tell that elderly man or that elderly woman everything so they call him, sit him down and talk to him. If after all this on change here, sweetheart, you can't leave him. And then you make sure he takes good care of the kids. It is his responsibility. They make nothing say. Because you do time more and maybe so they can just take any woman, use her, dump her, and waste her life.
And I did so mitima me say anytime you make free bia maybe so.
Okay.
Yenya ye pay almost.
Where they?
Ye pay.
My salary almost.
Almost.
Okay, the same.
Ne chop money there or the mommy. Baby ye say bia friend say my year insurance. Oje and one day the say unya see. But me dia me den di say me ye say.
Oh you cheat ankasa.
Amateur. Me kai ba ku bia me amateur say me nya 16. 16 no. Me makume mu me say me ma 5 million.
Okay.
Oso on pay 5 million. Die da so no me fama no. Nti oje 6 na me ma 4,000. So anya hwe na me de man.
Oh bule o ka ho. A husband bullying the wife.
The second one is how much you.
Okay, you can manage.
Me say me fama no. Because on no no. One part 1,000 crown me say me jana say oh getty 50 Ghana woman na fakoto wa de na me we na mature. But me de na mature me ma omu 500. And kwa mo 1,000 100 the count my 600.
Me aba nyame bedi wa asama ma wate. But for them be too straight, and then pepeni be ne bona mane o maame eti ase amane nti na ontimi to nsan friend ne ensesa enye sa dia for me I'll tell you to hey just leave him and go because enya dia be boa enya dia be boa afi so ba wieye they are going to explore the year is going to end so a lot of guys are just going to explore hit dump down. Yeah. Infections, it goes away. Infections, it goes away. And HIV, it is real. So, sweetie.
Yeah.
Ma.
May that is so much, my dear. Thank you.
Yeah.
You see, yes, our phone is our office, that's everything. But when we get home, we need to regulate it.
Yes.
We need to regulate it.
Seriously, you see.
Speak up a bit.
Yeah. I said seriously. Most of our generation, the way we behave, even with phones, is bad. You will see a man and his wife working, like I will call that like GSN problem or wahala.
Okay.
Yes, because they will be on the phone pressing. They are chatting with so many women and lying to you and telling you that, oh, I'm doing my office work. And they're not doing work. They are chatting with so many women, getting naked pictures. They are sending in things. So they lose focus that they are even at the house or at home. And these things, they are very bad. Midnight, they will not sleep. Even if the case, there will be this boom, 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 boom. You see this kind of sound? From Messenger. Yeah, they should stop. It's very bad.
Yeah.
Because what one kindness deserves another. What the lady can do to you, don't do it to her. She's a human. And moreover, she's your wife. So why can't you respect her?
It's just unfortunate that some men are monsters. I mean, who the men can? They are so wicked.
I don't know which adjective to even use on them. You understand? They're always doing these things, creating problems. Especially the years, they want to run away from this relationship because the year is coming to an end. They don't want to give money for Christmas, so they will just be doing like acting like funny and tricky. Yeah, doing trickish things, you know. They don't just observe enough. Just observe from this period to December. You will see the guys' attitude. Some of them will start breaking up with their girlfriends, their husbands. They will start breaking up because of this ceasing pressure.
Anyway, Adishima Odo Ahomaso and they call us no a lot of education, any empowerment. Mami call Mercedes, so you've been listening to all that. At a point in time, I see you both smiling. It means now the tree is okay.
Yeah.
You are getting our language, right? Good.
Yeah.
So how are you going to do? What advice are you leaving, Mercedes?
Because you asked me a question earlier that I don't know you.
No, she
asked a question.
Really?
No.
You move on, I've forgotten, but as you speak, and I remember I'll ask you.
The course was long, the ARA call, the call couldn't end, you know. But what you asked, it was this thing you were saying about this. There was a call that came. You asked before this.
Anyway,
okay.
So give you can wrap up by giving advice.
Yeah. So what I want to say, you know, to the ladies, you know, it's not easy because a guy called and he said, ladies, we don't respect. Maybe that was the problem he had with his woman. And all I want to say, if you have to address that issue, you have to address it properly. Women with due respect. Why if you are respecting the guy wholeheartedly and the guy is not respecting you back? That is the problem. How do you solve it? So all in all, I will say to a woman who is ready to marry, who is ready to settle down, who is ready to be a wife, all you have to do is to learn how to respect. Once you are ready to be a wife, it doesn't matter who the guy is. Fight and change him. Fight in every way that you can change him. If guy doesn't want to change, don't waste your time. Please move on. You don't need to be there 3, 4, 5 years and the guy is becoming worse in your life. Even when he comes home with now PCOS from 7 to 12 o'clock.
I mean, what is this?
You are there chatting with girls. They are sending you naked pictures, all those rubbish. And you are there. If you try and he's not changing, move on with your life.
That's all.
That is my advice.
And that's the end of story.
Because that is me. I don't have time to waste. If I've tried my best and you don't want to change, I move on. So I will also tell my fellow lady that move on. Don't waste your time. What you don't like, somebody else will like it. They are waiting.
They'll grab it with all their 2 hands.
It's true. So to all the beautiful ladies out there, seriously, add beauty to yourself and don't mind the guys, you know. Just be respectful and be a decent woman. That's all I would say.
You need to be a decent woman. Your ba yas and two, your ba say wako do. Men tell me and Titi also do. Sometimes I am near Woody, Queen, and and said, but Oba. And never show Odo Ahomaso. In that relationship, with 4 years, 5 years, abortion, leave that relationship and tell yourself, say, hey, I can't without you. God be my helper.
Yes.
So what do you want too? What do you about fear? Yeah, that's it on the internet. And let me date and I am my dear ma. But don't you worry. I know you all call into the show. I'm a wonderful cameraman. I said my voice is changing.
Just one,
yes, you want to say one word?
Shout out to.
Shout out. Yes, say it. Say
okay, I'm sending this shout out to my friend Douglas. Douglas Fuller Jones in the US. You are not feeling well, but I say speedy recovery. I want you to get better and take care of yourself. And so Mickey Masare, God bless you. That's it.
And you?
Okay, I want to blow the shout out to my church. Triumphant. Yeah, they're having their program this coming Sunday. It started a 4 days program. This is the second to the last day. And I want to say everyone around Accra or the central region, you should come to Triumphant. We are having a great concert there. Wow. It's a wonderful concert. I will have visitors from all around the world, from US, from all around the world. They are there. A lot of things are happening. So I'm urging everyone to come to Triumphant Church Central Region on the Blue Rose Estate Road by Cardiff University. Okay. You should come there and grace the occasion because the last day is Sunday. So you should come and get a blessing.
We will certainly be there to get our blessings. Yeah. Shall we wave our viewers so we tell them, Medase?
Medase.
Thank you.